Hello Team TFT and welcome back to another daily market outlook video. As you can see here on the Euro, we are now starting to push up into some daily supply area here. We've got marked out from this breaker structure point to this high. So we're actually starting to push up into this daily supply area. So as yesterday I spoke that I was looking at going long for the day. We'll duck down to the 4-hour here, have a bit of a look. So basically you can see this supply area here where the market sort of chopped around a bit and then decided to break down lower and ultimately broke structure here. So this is a really good position here that we could be looking going for shorts. Okay, so now what we're looking for is a few telltale signs that we could be looking at a swing change here. So at this point in time, being a high time frame supply area, probably looking at being a little bit bearish on today's market. Being an intraday trader, remember I'm not looking for these big massive moves over 4 or 5 days, looking for the intraday moves from here to here, and then from here to here, from here down to here. So we're just trying to judge each day on what we anticipate the market's going to give us. Okay, so the 4-hour here, we can see we're still bullish on the 4-hour coming up into this supply zone again, as we saw on the daily. 1 hour, again, sort of telling us the same thing, very bullish. So we've got a bullish 4-hour, bullish 1 hour, but we're obviously coming into a supply area in the daily. So now if we come down to our 15-minute chart, which is where we look for our entries and stuff, okay? So basically, actually what I might do is I'll duck back to the hourly chart here. So this is our zone. Obviously, we're already quite a large way into this zone. So basically what I like to do to try and shorten that up is cut that zone in half by shifting it up to the 50% line there. Okay. So now, as you can see, we have we're just touching that 50% zone of our overall market, of our overall supply area there. So basically, what I would be looking for now is we duck down to the 15-minute. We're now starting to look for, you know, a build-up of liquidity, a sweep of some description that would give us an idea that we might be looking at a reversal. So we may even start to see a bit of a trend line starting, a lower time frame trend line. We may see a double top start to appear like this. That may see a break. There's a few different things that we teach to look for in the way of change of swing trading and stuff like that with a market pivot points. So basically today being, what do we got here? It's a 31 pip range, Asian range. It's fairly consolidated. So I'd call it a consolidated range, and ultimately I'm bearish on today. So there's 2 scenarios that I'd be looking to play out here. First would be a possible break up higher in the range to a higher point into our point of interest, and then ultimately going lower. So looking for a sell in at this pivot point somewhere if we start to see something like if we start to see something appear. Oh, what have I done here? Sure. Sorry guys. If we start to see that shift in market structure starting to come back down, that would be looking for me for my short. Or the second one we could be looking for is a pull down, a push back up into the internal of the zone, whether it be higher up in the zone in a bit of a push structure, or maybe around this halfway line here, and then ultimately a move lower. So basically they're the 2 moves that I'm looking for today. Now, if we go back to yesterday's price action, as discussed, I was bullish on the market yesterday with the way that the range played out. I had this area down here marked out for a long position, and I also had this little area in here marked out for a long position as well. As you can see, the market never quite gave me the retracement all the way back down into my area, so I missed out on this. But ultimately, the day was still bearish as expected, bullish, sorry, so as expected. But yeah, now since we're working on the 15-minute time frames, but we are coming into daily supply, this does obviously affect how I see the market on the lower time frames, and I am definitely turning a little bit bearish at the moment coming into this high supply area. So definitely looking for some market change, trend changes and stuff starting to happen here on the lower time frames, and looking for entries there. Anyway, guys, that's pretty well my markup for today. Just a quick, brief overview of what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a push up higher into this supply before ultimately going lower, or we could see a break to the low. This high might be high enough for the market to actually come to. We have actually set equal lows here, so we may see a sweep of the lows, come back up, retest that halfway line, and then pushing back down lower again. So they're the two areas, that the two trades today that I will be looking for and trying to trade around. Anyway, thanks for jumping on again today, guys, and I'll see you in the next market video. Thanks for watching another daily market outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest tradesmen's forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.